Tell me what you experienced in the Welcome Center, and what's your name, sir?
My name is Desmond Robinson. Work at the Tarleton State Welcome Center. It's about around 3:30ish. Walked in my boss's office, started talking to her, and then the lights went out, and I guess that's why the car wrecked. So
I got you. So the lights went out for what? 20 minutes?
No, it was probably about like a minute or two, and then they popped back on. So
I got you. Cool. Well, again, this is Houston Hall from Texan TV News and Texan News Service. As you can see, the guys are going to be working on this probably for the next couple hours. It appears they have a clamp attached to the telephone pole, which is, I've been told, 50 feet. Therefore, there's probably 10 feet of pole underground. And I don't know how they're about to go about shaking this thing down, but it looks like they're going to start tugging once they feel that they've taken care of everything they need to in regards to getting it disconnected. Also, everybody, it's roughly 5:45, 5:50. They're starting to take off the rest of the electrical units and commence bringing the post down. I spoke with one gentleman who looks like he's with Encore, and some of the crews here are from Brownwood. That is a fact. So Encore itself might be based out of Brownwood. Don't know yet for sure. But half of the trucks here came from Brownwood in the last couple hours. The wreck happened around 3:15 per se, 3:30. The gentleman in the Chevy pickup was rushed to the hospital. According to some sources, might have had a seizure in which the wreck was caused. Okay, my name is Houston Hall with Texan News Service, and I got with me today this evening, Mike Barnes from Encore Energy. Can you maybe describe to the viewers what was taking place when you guys were taking down the telephone pole? I mean,
well, we just had to take into account the weight from the transformers, different ends of the poles, cut it down a piece at a time, and just, with the energized lines above, we just had to be careful which direction.
You guys talking about Brownwood, gotcha.
We're out of the Brownwood district. We've got crew here in Stephenville, and then the Brownwood, when we need assistance on times like this, will come in and help us.
Gotcha. And you guys, when did you guys get the call to come in?
About 20 minutes to 4.
20 minutes to 4?
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Okay, well, hey, thanks very much, bud. You take it easy. Again, that was Mike Barnes with Encore. They came in from Brownwood. Again, they came in from Brownwood to work on this. They're pretty confident that it'll be all taken care of, hopefully sometime by about 10 o'clock tonight. My name's Houston Hall with Texan News Service. Hope you all have a great day or evening.